Ever wonder how to say shady in French? Let's dive into c'est trop chelou.
Okay, I'll teach you something that I learned recently. So they have their slang is all inverting words.
Oh.
And someone taught me once that to know a language, you have to know how to the pronunciation. You have to know how they say which for the French is So the whole sound of the language.
You gotta do it one more time.
They go with their thinking. So okay, the phrase
that's
is
what you want to teach?
C'est trop chelou.
Oh, c'est trop.
C'est trop
C'est trop.
chelou.
Chelou. C'est trop.
Chelou. C'est trop chelou.
C'est trop chelou.
Exactly. It means too shady.
What makes this language moment so charming is how it captures the playful essence of French slang. It's not just about memorizing words. It's about embracing those little sounds and quirks that make a language feel alive. Learning and c'est trop chelou isn't just about vocabulary. It's about getting into the rhythm and soul of French conversation.